In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an XRP wallet, in which by doing so, we're going to use this platform called Trust Wallet, which is a secure cryptocurrency wallet designed for managing wide array of digital assets. So from here, just simply go to this website and you can start downloading this in your PC extension or your Chrome extension in here. After signing in, you'll be able to be directed on this page where you can start signing in or creating a new wallet in here, then adding a new password, and after that, you will now be able to be directed on the page where you can start sending or receiving an XRP in here. So this is basically the overview of what the Trust Wallet looks like when you try to receive an XRP. And for the PC mode, this is basically what it looks like after you sign up your Trust Wallet in here. And below under the home section, you can navigate here this XRP by clicking this one. You can start receiving an XRP by clicking the receive button in here. Then click proceed anyway in here to proceed. Then just simply select the token to send, which is the XRP in here. So can you click this XRP, then you will be able to see here the wallet address that you could also copy, in which the XRP will be sent in here. And you could also send here or buy an XRP if you want to using this Trust Wallet. And aside from sending and receiving, you would also swap here in any kind of cryptocurrency. But overall, that is just basically how to set up an XRP wallet.